Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Austin with Oregon Trail Target. We're going to shoot a steel rock chuck target at 57 yards offhand with a Ruger, new model single 6 with the 22 long rifle cylinder. It's got the 4 5/8 inch short barrel. As you can see, you could do pretty well with a handgun as long as you practice and use the good fundamentals of handgun shooting, which is obviously a proper grip, a nice squeeze of the trigger, and the most important thing is to follow through and keep your front sight on the target until after you hear that bullet impact. So we'll take a closer look at this pistol and walk up and check out, see what kind of group we got at 57 yards offhand with the 22 long rifle revolver. Hey, we'll take that. We got 5 impacts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Austin with Oregon Trail Target. Please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more shooting content. Thank you.